Hey guys, how's it going? So, since last year, January 19th, I think my first video was, I've released a video every other day on this channel for over a year now. And if you saw my wife Kit's video, you may have seen this coming for me, but she has done a video since January 1st of last year, every single day. And I'm super proud of her. And just a couple days ago, she decided to stop doing daily videos. And this is my video sort of doing the same thing and explaining why and if you're interested. But I'm super excited because there's all kinds of really big projects that I've been wanting to do on this channel. And as you guys may or may not remember or know, Kit and I used to have a video production company. And with daily vlogs and even every other day for myself, there's not a whole lot of time we have to edit them because we have to push them out so quickly. So the goal of doing for myself a video every other day was to be able to build a habit of just doing YouTube and releasing a video, because I've done this in the past on other channels and the consistency is the hardest part about YouTube. And I figured if I could stay consistent for every other day, releasing a video every other day for over a year, I've developed that habit pretty well now. And the next step I want to do is I'm just thinking about all these cool ideas, almost like documentary style videos that will probably take me weeks to edit. Hopefully, maybe if I work on it every other day, kind of like I do here, or it's mostly every day I do here, but I could get out some really high quality content, things that people really want to see, and things that I really am proud of, that I put time and effort and energy into. That's where I want to go with this channel. So this video is me announcing that I am no longer going to be doing every other day videos. Instead, I'm going to release videos less frequently, with higher quality and really good topics. I have all these crazy ideas and I don't want to spoil anything right now. You guys will just have to be excited for the next video because I'm going to put a lot of time and effort and energy into it, and hopefully it's something that you guys are interested in as well. Or even if you're not, hopefully I make the video interesting enough for you guys to be excited to watch it. Like, wow, I didn't even know that. That was really exciting to watch. I want to have videos that I'm proud of. And it's not only that, not doing videos every other day does free up some time for myself to build onto other things. As you guys know, we have our own Okinawa clothing brand inspired by Okinawa, and we haven't put a whole lot of time and effort into it, so we want to do that. We also do live videos on Facebook, live in Okinawa, and that's sort of been half-assed as well. And I feel like just doing this many videos so frequently, including this, everything is just half-assed. And I want to full-ass things, But no, I wanna produce less things with higher quality, because right now we have so much going on. We have the live in Okinawa. We do a video every other day. We have Ryukyu, and then there's other stuff that we're not even attending to, like our Instagram pages, and there's a podcast that we want to start, and there's just all kinds of things that we want to do, the big documentary like videos. And I think after last year, the goal was just to learn to build a habit and stay consistent on releasing videos on YouTube. This year is going to be about the growth of the channel and the quality of the channel and content. So that's what I'm going to focus on. This isn't goodbye from YouTube, but this is goodbye for now. I don't know what I'm going to do in the future, but for now, definitely the every other day vlog is going to, I'm going to step back and make higher quality content, and it takes longer to edit. So if you're new here, or if you haven't already, I do really hope that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications, because these next videos, not only the next video, but the next video after that, it's going to be less frequent. I don't know exactly when I'm going to release it, but it would be great if you were notified, because I'm thinking the next video is a video you're going to want to see. Even if you're not interested in it, I think you'll really be entertained because of the amount of work that I am going to put into it. And I'm just going to make sure it's a really, really solid video. So turn on the notifications. I don't know when I'm going to release it yet, but that way you know right when I release it. You could be the first one to watch. So I appreciate all you guys, and I'm super excited for this next coming year. I'm excited to just get on some of these big projects. I'm actually like sort of scripting out, not necessarily scripting out, but I'm paying for some services that make things higher quality, hundreds of dollars on services to better my videos, and just writing scripts and just putting more effort into it, getting high quality video, using top end cameras, and it's just, everything's gonna be better, and definitely spending more time editing. Probably not just these quick cut together edits just to get a video out every other day, because what I've learned from this journey of doing a video this frequently is that in order to stay consistent, there's a lot of videos you have to put out sometimes, because you have these deadlines every other day that you're just not proud of, And there's a lot of videos I've released that I'm not proud of. I'm not going to delete them or anything. If you want to go back and watch all these videos that I've done over the last year, feel free. Some are interesting, some aren't. I just feel like I couldn't really focus on the quality as much, but now I'm going to do that. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you stick around to see what else is coming. I'm super excited, and I will see you in my next video, not the next following day, but maybe a week from now or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how long. I'm gonna take my time and edit it, make it what I want it to be. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.